visible.
Yes, no, yeah, go ahead.
Very good afternoon to all. So, Chinmay, thanks Chinmay for setting up the context regarding APM and demonstrating that matrix and all those things. So I will just quickly go through on power system, like what are the capabilities of Instana, what all things we can monitor on power architecture. So I will just go through all regarding that power things quickly. I will show one quick demo regarding power. So basically on power, it is supported for multiple flavors like AIX, Ubuntu, Rail. So multiple VMs are supported. So I'm demonstrating here only for the AIX, for a demo purpose. As Chinmay mentioned, it is a client server architecture. So once your server is up and you install the Instana agent on your client VM, that is the client. So you can filter out like where is from here infrastructure view like zone PPC 64 architecture. So once Instana agent installed successfully, your agent will be visible over here. And as Chinmay mentioned, we'll get that VM level matrices, like it will monitor all those things which is at VM level: CPU, memory usage, CPU load, and if there are individual CPUs, so it will monitor all those things like how much it is used and how much it is in wait time used by system, and how like used a percent, how much it is nice one or like that. And regarding file system also, so whatever things on our VM, so it will monitor all those things. So all those file systems we can see here, like how much memory it is there, how much it is leaked, network interface. So these are all VM level matrices we can see over here. And in application perspective, over like in stack section, what all the applications are running on our particular VM. So it will list down all those VMs over here, all those applications over here. And in infrastructure, like this particular application is part of like which process. So it will list down all those things. Now quickly go through like application monitoring, like how Chinmay mentioned for particular JVM application. So what all data we get at application level. So this is the simple JVM hello application, like everyone, like at the basic level, everyone used to play with this one. So we can monitor that application. So here we can see that heap memory, suspension, memory pool. So what all the, like these are the things at application level monitoring we can see over here. Yeah, again, this is Golang related application. So it's Instana support different technology to monitor like Golang, JVM, different tech stacks, Nginx, all those things it supports. So yeah, as like Chinmay was mentioning profiling thing. So here we can see that CPU and memory profiling, basically profiling things help to developer or like who is the application developer to understand where is the bottleneck of our application. So since Instana like monitor all those things, so it will be easy for the developer to understand like where is the bottleneck of our application, and it will help to enhance the performance of our application. So with the help of wait time, like where it is consuming more wait time, so we'll get full picture regarding these things. Yeah, so again this Tomcat, so different tech stack it supports. So this calls regarding things, he covered almost all those things, so I will just quickly go through it. Yeah, like as he mentioned, like we can get like full, we can particular, if we want to trace particular call, so we can trace. Here it is only gate call and it is coming from one of the Apache Apache, it is requesting call to that server. So here we can see only one level. If it is like calls are getting called from different levels, so internally, so it will list down all those levels, all those levels of calls. Yeah, so that is on application level monitoring. So I will just quickly go through you that event creation things, event and alert creation. So we can create event and we can get alert. Like suppose our VM is consuming more CPU, and if we want to like monitor those things, and if we want to get alert, like my VM is consuming suppose 50% CPU usage, and then after that I want to get alert. So and I don't want to like monitor this VM by all the time. So there is one like a feature from the Instana that we can create event. Here we can see we'll be creating event on our VM for the memory usage. So like these are the some steps we can need to give over here. So here we can add that condition. If my memory consumption is particular, say some X% greater than that, so then I should get the notification. So notification, we can get it via like mail, Slack, or pager. So there are some different features available over here with the Instana. So this event creation has done. So now I'm just adding a channel for the to get alert things. So yeah, as I mentioned, so these are different channel it supports, Slack, PagerDuty, Google Chat. So we can get the alert from one of the channel. Yeah, here now you can see that event is detected, whatever condition we had given. So it detects the event, that particular percentage. If it is greater than 50, so we'll get the notification. Currently we can see here it is 67%. We can get notification via mail. So here I made it as via mail. So we are getting over here notification. So this is the feature event alert notification. It is very easy to monitor like our application. So that's on my side. And like if anyone wants to like have the hands-on uh, power related thing, like how to from where to start and how to start like monitoring particular microservice, so we had published our blog over here. So you can follow those things, and whoever new, so you can easily configure your agent and you can easily monitor those things. And to know more about like Instana thing, so you will get here that to explore on more on Instana, so you can visit over here. You will get access for like 15 days. You'll get server, and you just need to install agent on your like wherever you want to monitor, like laptop or VM, and you can configure it and you can monitor it. Yeah, so that's all on regarding power things on my side. Yeah, thank you. Anyone is having any questions? Okay.
Thanks, Neha. Yeah.
Yeah, over to you, Bipin.